Under pressure.
These kids at this camp like to ask questions.
It's a dead silence.
I know. Are you kidding me? What color do you focus on first?
Color that has
Now you're up in a fountain.
Alright, now we need to just work on your vocabulary.
He's like 11.
Would you?
Got another one for you.
Hold on, I'm almost done.
What are you guys all synchronizing phones here?
Dude.
He just solved the
amazing
Rubik's Cube in
happened
3
here.
minutes. He's on his second one.
Amazing this happened.
He's coming down the home stretch right now.
Does this kid know how to do this stuff? Yeah, get out of here.
I think he's Excuse me, Mr.
Stick around.
This kid.
Yeah.
Sir, this kid.
He's only moments away
What's
from
the
being
method
done.
to
I
the
can feel
madness?
it.
How did you know this?
You just feel it, you know?
Because he's amazing.
You said a magic one. What is a magic one?
It's called magic.
Is that how it
It's like a board. He just had it.
Losing his touch. He's losing his touch, so he's getting nervous.
Wait 30 seconds. Come on, Jacob.
I know.
Oh, here it is.
These things.
He's feeling it right now. He's feeling it. He's going for another one.
Oh my god.
Oh man. That's
Yeah.
Let me see that. See that?
Dude, yeah, what's your
How's
IQ?
his record?
Whoa.
Uh-oh, fumble. You want to try what?
My record is 1 minute 35 seconds.
God.
What just happened?
Anyone know his kid's IQ?
Record book is like 10 seconds.
That's his favorite design.
Jacob's like banging out the Rubik's Cube.
You're wrong. Instructions and techniques to do it, but I can't remember. I can't remember it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did it for the talent show. He did? Like, yeah. It's easy with the solved one.
I'm getting like
Alright, come on. Come
Can
on.
you write that down?
Oh, you got another.
Gotta have them both done.
That's alright. We got time.
No, there's a, oh yeah, my friend. There's probably fast. My brother knows a guy that went to camp to get last night.
What was the pattern you're trying to go?
Get off of your stick. You're not touching it.
My brother knows a guy that went to mix it up. It's different then.
Really?
Yeah. Just to him. I know. Stupid.
Is he making it? He's doing it right now.
Go store.
I'm just doing
There's
it.
none around here.
It's pretty much already done.
How can you do this? Could you do
I
this
have
right
no
now?
idea how to do it.
Every time it messes something up.
I heard they're getting time lapse down here in NK though. That'd be so nice.
My friend can do it in 30
Have
seconds.
an actual store.
Yeah, no, I mix it up.
Let's go. Finish him, Jacob. Finish him.
Oh no.
And he's doing a design right now.
And a melody.
Hey, coaches are right
He
here.
tried to mix it up like you.
Dude, every twist affects.
Yeah, he's a couple of twists ahead.
Yeah.
This is gonna be soft.
Can you play chess? 'Cause I'd love to
Better than
play
you.
chess.
Just start feeling, man. Just bring
This
it
is
home.
insane.
You'll be there. You'll be there.
That's amazing.
Bring it home.
I like how when he knows he's got it, he speeds up
Yeah.
and slaps it down.
Starts the next one.
Can you like not look into it?
I cannot
See,
look into a.
Everybody loves asking questions.
He said he's losing instructions.
Sure.
What are you talking about? We're still going.
You're like, what made you pick up a Rubik's Cube one day and just be like, yo, I'm gonna dominate
I
this?
got this.
It's like, I don't know what. You guys are videotaping this? Yeah, why
Yeah.
not?
My friends don't believe me.
Post it. 10, but I figured it out when I was 9.
Respect.
How long
Are
did
you
you do it before you
feeling
figured
something
it out?
inside the cube?
Energy.
You posted
Energy.
Obviously not worried about colors. He's doing the same thing.
No, he is. It's just there's a couple combinations.
Oh my god.
Where do you look when you're doing it? Where do you look?
Jason,
Where do you look when you're doing it?
Time for lunch.
he's gonna start charging.
What are the most key areas that you look for?
The middle.
Are we going to lunch still?
You gotta just do
I
it.
had my
Like, what are
lunch.
you focusing on when you're doing it?
You just moaned.
Oh.
Did you ever notice that you can't like?
But I'm saying, what?
You don't